This project is IoT based coal mine safety monitoring and alerting system. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its data board along with power supply, 16:2 LCD display. Wi-Fi module ESP8266 connected to Arduino IOT port. LM35 temperature sensor and MQ2 sensor connected to Arduino analog pins and buzzer connected to Arduino digital pins respectively. Here we have our own server designed according to our requirement. Initially we have to create hotspot in our mobile with the name of IoT server and password is IoT server 123. Now we have to open hotspot settings. We can see here network name IoT server and password IoT server 123. Save. Mobile should have internet through this SIM. Now we can log in server application in this URL. Here URL is projectfactory-server.in using username and password. Username is IoT22 and password is IoT22. We can name it this according to our requirement. In this URL we can open in our mobile or laptop. You can see here projectfactory-server.in and it is asking username and password. Here username is IoT22 and password IoT22. Now power on this. After switch on this project, it connect internet through the hotspot. Here, whenever temperature value more than 45 degrees, then buzzer will on and data uploaded to the server. And CO2 value greater than 700, then also buzzer will on and data will send to the server. You can see here U means data uploaded to the server. Arduino uploads the sensors data for every 40 seconds time interval. We have to refresh this page. Here we can see in sensors data in table format with respect to date and time, as well as we can see data in graphical format. Now switch to graph view.